National Committee for the burial of our great leader, Engineer Emmanuel Iwuanyanwu, the immediate past President-General of Ohaneze Ndigbo, has been constituted, and the whole idea is to give him a very befitting burial that his status deserves. And beside me is the chairman of the National Burial Committee, distinguished Senator Ben Ndi Obi, and I think he is in position to now speak to you. Thank you.
Distinguished Senator Obi, what should Nigerians expect from this burial meeting?
Well, first and foremost is to recognize the support we have received from the chairman of the Southeast Governors Forum and his colleagues, the other governors of the Southeast region. They have given us implicit confidence that this committee will be given all the necessary support. In fact, you know, Chief Emmanuel Iwuanyanwu was a global citizen. Needless to talk about his commitments in Nigeria as a whole. In which aspect of human endeavors you talk about, Chief Emmanuel Iwuanyanwu excelled and ended up to serve his people at an elderly age. The sacrifice he committed to the Igbo nation is something that is admirable by all of us. And it is our decision as a people, in collaboration with other associations like Afenifere, PANDEF, Middle Belt Forum, Arewa Consultative Forum, to make sure that we give him a befitting burial. And we are grateful that His Excellency Governor Uzodinma, Chairman of the Southeast Governors Forum, has made the lodge here available for us to meet so that we will not have any challenges whatsoever. And they've also agreed with the Anglican Church, the primate of Anglican Church, that Chief Emmanuel Iwuanyanwu will be buried on the 1st of November. 1st of November. So we have a very limited time to put things in place and ensure a very befitting burial. But with the support from him, I'm sure things will work out well. Thank you.
It's okay.
Mr. Chairman, well, a long time, sir.
Dig. I be there. Dig.
Come see your.
Where we are supposed to have a message from. He was going to be here, but there is a fellow who is his brother. He told me that if he wanted similarly. Thank you.
The local committee, because a relation was there.
Your Excellency, for members, fortunate. When to worry, the Almighty God is with any occasion.
Excellency, General, I must commend the Excellency in honor. I will see so must wish them for the.
What is Omore? Listen.